We're demonstrating the switch knot, or a series of square knots where we're switching the filler cords and the working cords. So we're going to start with one square knot, working from the left. And then from the right. So we have one complete square knot. And then we take the two working cords, so the left and the right working cord, and we bring them into the center, and the two filler cords move out to the side to become the working cords. So then we do another square knot with our new working cords. So one from the left and then from the right. So these can be done right below each other, or you can leave a bit of a gap. So I'll do another one. Bring the working cords from the outside into the middle to become our new filler cords. And then the filler cords come to the outside to be our working cords. And do another square knot. And you'll be able to see the pattern that it starts to create. So as you can see there, it's a really effective pattern. It's also a great way to conserve cord length. So when you find that you're doing a series of square knots, so particularly in, say, a plant hanger, where you're doing lots and lots of consecutive square knots, you'll find that your two working cords on the outside get very, very short, and the filler cords in the middle stay the same length. So you have lots of length left on your filler cords. So doing something like this is great to be able to conserve your cord length and use less cord for your project. So there you go, the switch knot. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out my other tutorials and like and subscribe. Cheers!